Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cloudy Bell. Welcome back again. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my skin or face, skin and hair spray. So if you want to achieve this glowy, moisturized, soothing skin, flawless on top of it, um, keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna be needing only three ingredients. Number one is aloe vera. um Aloe vera helps with soothing the skin, moisturizes your skin. It has what is it, antibacterial, antiseptic properties that helps to get rid of infection or irritations on the skin, so thereby helps your skin to calm and soothes it and moisturizes on top of that. The second one is glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant. Okay, it keeps moisture on the skin, to prevent dryness, and it moisturizes as well, makes your skin smooth and glows, making it flawless throughout the day. Okay, so this skin toner we're talking about, you can actually put it on as a makeup, when you're done showering and putting on your regular lotion. You can just spray from hair, face, body, wherever. You can even wear it as a body perfume. So back to base. The third one is rose water. So I've already mentioned aloe vera, glycerin, and rose water. Rose water have a scent to it, flavored water. So you can actually make your own rose water by steeping the dried rose petals in a low heat water, or you can buy the store-bought one. I'm gonna be using the store-bought one. All right, rose water does a lot. It evens the skin tones your skin, making it smooth and flawless and glowy, relieves dryness. Rose water actually have antiseptic property as well, and an antibacterial property, so it's gonna help fight off infection or toxins on the skin. All of this helps to improve acne or psoriasis or even eczema for people that have skin conditions. So these three things that I mentioned, when combined together, they will leave your skin flourished throughout the day. They don't really, because of the glycerin part of it, it keeps your skin moisturized, preventing it from losing excess water and thereby moisturizing your skin as well. The rose water and the aloe vera fights off infection, and irritation, keeping you calm all day. If you have skin condition, it helps to improve that. Okay, and thank me later. So for the hair, rose water actually helps to get rid of dandruffs, and it reduces oiliness. So all these three combined together, they help with the hair, the face, the skin. You can even spray it anywhere, any part of your body. They're all natural. So instead of all these chemical products, you can use them as face toners. Maybe just put it on cotton buds, or cotton wool, whatever you have, or a piece of clothing, or face clothes. What am I talking about? Face towel, and then pat on your face if you're just gonna be using it as a face toner. So you can use that after you put on makeup or just without makeup. I don't put makeups again on my face. The highest I can do is just put eyebrow to just, define them, make them a little thick. But this three things together, oh, thank me later, your skin is gonna be flawless. You're gonna be ageless. Okay, you are gonna be keeping yourself young. Your skin will be bubbling and flourishing and be flawless. If you pass people, they're gonna be looking, and when you tell people your age, they're gonna be surprised, seriously, because this is gonna keep you young. you want to live forever young, start doing this spray, okay? Wrap up aloe vera, rose water, and glycerin. And I also, just to make it a little bit less thick, I add distilled water, or you can add boiled water, you know, too. I'm gonna show you how I make all this, okay? Stay tuned. All right, guys, so this is the ingredients that I have. So this is glycerin. I'm not really advertising any brand here, so you can use whatever brand that you like, but this is the ones that I have already. I use glycerin vegetable, 100% pure vegetable glycerin, and my aloe vera. So for aloe vera, because I'm gonna be storing on room temperature, so I just bought from the store. So but aloe vera, you can actually make your own from the fresh leaf, and but if you do that, you can either store in the fridge, or you can add vitamin C in it if you have vitamin C powder, just a little bit of that. But because I'm gonna be storing on room temperature in the bathroom, so that whenever so that it's, you know, easy access. So I'm using aloe vera, rose water, 100% rose water, 100% pure rose water. I'm not advertising any brand. Again, you can use whatever brand that you want. I'm using distilled water just to, you know, I want to make more. You can opt out of this distilled water or boiled water, or if you have deionized water, you can use that also. So this is just my measuring cup for the three products here, and this is my spray bottle. You can purchase empty spray bottle from the store. So I'm gonna be using ounces. So first I will add my rose water to 1 ounce. 1 ounce rose water to another ounce. 1 ounce of glycerin. Glycerin is very thick, so that's also the reason I'm adding distilled water, so that it's not too thick when I'm spraying. And I'm adding 1 ounce of aloe vera, making it all 3 ounces. So for this now, I'm gonna add 3 ounces of distilled water, you know, just to even it out with the other one. So all the way to 6 ounces altogether. And that's it. You can either stir, nice body spray for my flawless skin. Please don't mind my singing, okay? But I love to sing. All right, so now we're gonna pour inside this spray bottle. And voila, you have a natural body spray. So this you can use on the hair, on your face, on the body, and shake well. Give it a vigorous shake so that it misses. Then this smells fresh. It's gonna leave your skin fresh. It's gonna help your hair stay moisturized, give you long and strong hair. That will, you know, prevent breakage and all that. And your face is gonna be smooth as a baby's. And that's it, we're done. Okay, and there you go. Ooh, nice and fresh, nice and smooth. Okay, and that's it. So nice and fresh, so nice and fresh. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and click the like button as well, or leave me your comment below. And leave me your comment below. Alrighty, this you can make. I just don't make too much so that it doesn't spoil. I believe this one's already, the store-bought ones already have preservatives in it, even though they are natural, but still something is gonna be keeping it. If you're not good comfortable keeping this on room temperature, you can just store in the fridge, or you can add a teaspoon of vitamin C powder if you have one, just to be able to keep it safe. All right, bye bye.